Alright guys, well once again we're stuck in the driveway. When you need help waking up the boys in the morning, who do you call? Is he coming? No. You don't need to go up there. Just call him. He'll come. Joel! There he is! Good job, Amelia and Lola! Ow. Are you getting Joel's feet? Alright guys, so it's 31 degrees out. No snow on the ground. Clear skies. And it is, what is today?
Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday. Alright guys, so they are calling for a huge storm today. Supposed to be like 12 to 18 inches of snow. Pretty crazy. We're on our way to school right now, so we'll, I don't know what time the storm is supposed to start, but they're calling like it's going to be the biggest storm. They actually named it. It's named Pedro. Did you hear that?
No.
I think it's Pedro is what they called it. So, we will see when we get out of work what we are dealing with here. You think it's going to snow as much as they say, Jacob?
Probably not.
Probably not. Are you hoping it's going to snow as much as they say?
Yes.
Why? Why are you hoping for snow?
So there's no school.
No school. Every kid hopes for no school. Okay, so the other thing is they're calling for high winds. Can't remember what it is, but like really high winds. So it makes me a little nervous. Well, on our roof, we've had a lot of windy days, and recently there's been a couple shingles that have fallen off. And actually, we got a letter from our insurance company like last week that said that they were going to drop us by June if we didn't redo our roof and a couple other things. Major thing was they said we needed to redo our roof house. They were going to drop us. So anybody else run into this problem with their insurance company? You know, we've been with the same insurance company for quite a long time. We live in a small town. It's a family-run business that we get our insurance company through. And, you know, Rob was just a little upset. You know, we've never made any claim on our insurance, so it's just kind of weird. Like, they don't say, hey, thanks for being a customer for the last 10 years and paying your bill on time every month. You know, so there's just a little frustration there. Anybody run into this problem, and what did you do? How'd you deal with it? Did you switch insurance companies? You just fix the problem and stay with the same company? I told Rob he needs to shop around and look for a different insurance company. But, you know, it's his decision. All right, ready guys? Ready for this?
Yeah, sure. So, like, it was snowing so bad when I was walking here from the other school that I go to, I'd ice crusted to this.
Really?
Yeah.
What time did you get back here?
So look at the ice is frozen.
So I just got to the school to pick the boys up. It is snowing like horrible. Oh,
Look at that.
I barely made it in to pick them up. They almost had to stay the night at school. How would you guys feel if you would have had to stay the night here?
I would not have stayed tonight. There's a car that just pulled it off. And we're spinning tires, and I think we may have a problem. So the van had a hard time trying to get in tracks in case. There's so much snow. Like, there's snow everywhere. Like, look at this. You can't even get in the road, pretty much blocked off with snow.
Yeah, like
Right here, you can't even tell there's a road there. It's just like a whiteout up ahead.
All right, guys. Well, once again, we're stuck in the driveway.
So
Gotta wait for Rob to get home.
It's really deep. So when you can't get in the driveway because of the snow, you go to the pizza bar. If it's a Wednesday.
Yeah.
Well, this is what happens during a
You'll
snowstorm.
see who wins this battle.
Everybody gets on electronics.
Zigazoo and Pikachu.
Except for this one. She gets on the camera. Can you tell everybody hi?
Bye.
Can you say hi? Can you tell them it's snowing? What's outside? What is outside?
Snow, Amelia?
No.
Did you see all the snow?
Do you like snow?
Yes.
Do you like snow?
No.
Snow.
Lola, did you see all the snow? Yeah? Did you like it?
No, we didn't stop.
Alright, well, let's go take a bath.
Lola, you ready to go take a bath?
No.
No, it's time for a bath. Go bath.
Why are you always trying to hit my Zigazoo?
What's a zigazam?